Let's go, Cleveland! Let's go! Okay guys, race natin tayo dito sa Cleveland ulit ha. Uy, buti na lang. T-Rex. T-Rex floater. Ako, 80% na chance sila manalo mga animal. Pinaunang nakashoot eh. Anyway, naka-race to 10 tayo sa Cleveland dito guys. Sa Matsuinia. Ay, yung nga pala. Yung race to 10 win streak natin, 3 na ha. Nakakaaboy ako ng 10 race to 10 win streak dito eh. Guys, papakabuti natin ng 10 yan. Tignan nyo ha. Meryl, Mobley, foul. Ah! May kasama pang foul.
In that instance, making
Uy,
himself
pinabloy.
Bane on the cut. Nice find. Carter slings it over Mobley.
Donovan.
Mitchell, sixth in the NBA in
Bulak.
scoring. A career
Bulak na,
best
mismatch na yan.
28
Center na yan ha.
points per
Ayan na, mismatch
He's
na yan.
also sixth
Alam
in
ko na to,
making
papulak to eh.
threes.
Ayan o.
Still
Ayan o.
take a long two with his foot on the line.
So the Magic will do
Yari
their
yata
share
yung
of
race.
switch.
Mapuputol
and you
yata
can
yung
see
win
why.
streak ah.
Hart
Huwag
Hollow
naman.
both have the ability to move their
Kalbo,
feet and
naku.
guard on the perimeter.
Entry to Carter.
Banquero,
Good
4-3.
find in the corner.
Rebound.
Banchero's three.
Nice! Spida. Isang tres nga, Spida. Panglamang natin. Meryl to Mobley.
Mobley trying on Carter. Goes right at his chest. Bumped off his spot. And could not finish through
Alap ng
contact.
Cleveland.
And Wendell.
Pampay, kalbo! Rebound. Okay. James Hardware, ikaw na nga dumiskarte.
Orlando, one of the worst three-point
Meryl.
shooting teams in the league.
Nice! 5-4! Amang na. Alaga lang sa lamang ha. Alaga lang sa lamang. Mabisa rin talaga ito si Meryl na to eh. Shooter din talaga. Kalbo, pasig-zigzag. Traveling. Turnover. 3 seconds oh! Patay.
De Silva will rise.
Rebound. Nice.
Harden against Banchero.
James. James!
Past him, and that
Bang!
shot
Panis
on
ka
the
boy!
rim.
Panis ka boy! 7-4 pare. Okay.
It's one-on-one for James against a big.
T-Rex.
On the other end, Bane with the attack.
I love this guy. The level of aggression and pressure he tries to
Mainam
apply.
talaga
That
si
time
T-Rex.
there's a
Di ko alam
score
bakit
last
binatawan ng
possession
Memphis to
as
eh.
an assist guy.
Bang! May kasama pang foul! Bonus shot! Bonus shot! Kamig na! Ang ina mo, Donovan, baka isablay mo pa yan, hayop ka. Ibaban ko kayo pag sinablay mo yung free throw. Ayun, oh. Ang galing ng pasabit. Donovan, ipasok mo yan ha. Ban kayo sa akin pag sinablay mo yan.
Second team foul.
Please, please, please.
Orlando.
Please. Move. Pasok mo.
Points in the two previous
Bang!
with the Magic.
Woohoo! Thank you, Cavaliers, guys! Apat na yung win streak natin. Malapit na, makakalaki na natin yung 10 win streak. Panalo nyo na rin yung match winner para po Soy. Match winner, Cavaliers, ay pag gusto nyo rin.